Hi guys, today with you I'm hiding and we're gonna do some shit track. That's why I wearing this, because it's hoodie, rich, gang, I don't know how to say without a cringe. Put like to this video and I make more. Today I say about narrow side, I don't know how it's in English. Make beats, yes. Leech hop, what the fuck? Okay. Maybe have drain, also drill, hip hop, funk. Also, what they gonna do? It's songwriters. I can't write songs. You see this from USA now? Typical USA guy. Yeah. What the fuck? Yes. I have only this fucking bruh. I also can't use Midjourney because it costs money. I like it rocks. One day my car have damage and I start eat my "This is my kingdom come" pants. Yes, it's genius for lyrics.
But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're don't like sneaky shit that you do?
Okay, I'm waiting.
Children.
Looking good. You the man. You the man. Hey, it's the man.
I don't know either what to do with you guys. I don't know. I'm so fucking tired. I was busy in 90s. I was just a cop, but one day changed everything in my life. I saw her. She was 13 years old. She hung out his doll and cry because I killed her mother in her eyes. Just scary. Her father beat her again, and she took knife. She thought that I'm her husband, but I'm not him. So what? She put knife, and I shot her. 19s. Or maybe it was real. Who knows? I can write beat by myself, like. And this is just fuck off your mother. What the fuck? This is hyperpop drain ammo. Upload to sites if it's gonna be cool. Okay. Also intellect. Yeah. You didn't have to cut me off. Internet intellect to mastering. Why so long? No, bitch. What are you talking about, bro? So, my little brothers, we're gonna do this way. My way. What I have, is it nothing? But what I have to do is more. I don't know what said. Shut up, son of a. And I know what it sound like now. Bro things. My little helping to these sites because they so fucking disgusting in work.
I think I'm hot.
Not really.
And master, yes, they can masturbate your beat, yes. Do you love my bass? Yes, it's hilarious beat. It's cool. Yeah, you agree with me? If you don't agree, I'm blind your eyes. You're fucking freaks.
What happened?
Okay, guys. I know, but it's a masterpiece. And I upload this shit. And maybe somebody right reaction. Somebody once told me.
I pray to Shrek every night before bed, thanking him for the life I've been given. My dad hears me and calls me a faggot. It's Shrek. This is my swamp. He grabs me with his powerful ogre hands and puts me on my hands and knees. I'm ready. I spread my ass cheeks for Shrek. He penetrates my butthole.
Something like that. But nobody told me anything because I haven't anybody. All people hate me because I'm fucking best and all hate me because I'm genius, not because I'm fucking disgusting mob. So I uploading right now. And then we listen this masterpiece more time. We have this. Guys, okay, listen. So guys, put like, comment, share with your friends, and good luck to you, guys. I fucking hate you all.